Do you know where your pile is?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, Jake.
Now I don't know where it is.
You don't know where your pile is? Yeah. Merry Christmas, Caleb. Good morning. Do you know where your pile is? Where? Oh. Caleb, stand next to the Christmas tree. I didn't realize how the tree was that big. Good morning, sweetie pie.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
All right, we should wait for Dad.
Warm.
Yeah, it's nice by the fire.
Me and you have the best place because it's nice and warm.
Yep,
right there.
that's right.
Just make sure you don't, when you're sitting down, don't burn your back like here.
Yeah, like I did last time. I have a burn mark on there, you know. Are you excited? Yeah?
I don't know if he's pretty bad.